We're on the Enterprise for the very first time. We usually walk to the park, but now we're on it.
Yes, we are indeed.
We're on it to Portadown. And we're on the move now. Usually this thing goes very fast. Let's see how fast this goes now. Can we tell it go really fast? Look at this. I can't believe we're finally on an Enterprise.
And then you hear the bumpy sounds. Great.
And we're on with Francis too.
Hello.
So we're going to get going and we can see out the window.
Yes, we can.
Oh, look how fast this is going now. Do you like it going that fast, my wife?
It's okay like this, yeah. It's going to get really fast, isn't it?
Yeah. Would you like it to go really fast?
No.
Yay! Oh,
A tunnel.
we went through a tunnel.
We're going to pass all the stations that we normally stop at.
Whoa. Let's go. I didn't even realize there's air conditioners here, but they are air conditioners. Really good. Oh, here comes stations. Botanic Station.
Yep, and we passed Botanic.
We'll pass Botanic.
Whoa! Look at this.
Look at this. Wow.
That's a huge tunnel.
Oh,
It's like we were traveling in the night.
This is really brilliant. There's a city hospital and there's a city hospital station. Look at this.
This is amazing.
Really
Amazing. Another big tunnel.
It's like we're traveling in the night. This is really brilliant.
And you may have noticed I got a drink.
Me too, look. On first day.
Me too.
Ah. Well, anyway, we're on the move. Look, you can see our Enterprise that we're on outside.
Yep, we can.
And now Enterprises have free Wi-Fi. But here we go for another big tunnel.
But it's not really that dark.
More trucks.
More tracks.
I like to enjoy the ride without any videos now, so that will be it for now.
Bye.